Hey y'all, this is April Prayer, criminal defense attorney from Chicago, the Justice Junkie. And I spoke to some kids yesterday and they had absolutely awesome questions. And one question, or a series of questions, kind of boiled down to what is it that a criminal defense attorney does? And I thought this would be a great opportunity to dispel some myths because, I have people thinking that my job is to make witnesses disappear and to bribe the judge and to get into a fist fight with the state's attorney and to win at all costs, and that's not at all what I do. So let's dive in. I'm going to tell you 3 things that a defense attorney does. Number one thing I do is I translate. So I heard a public defender explain to a group of kids who were visiting the courthouse a couple years ago that she was bilingual, and so she was used to translating for her parents, but also in her role as attorney, she also found herself translating fancy legal jargon into simple terms. Because how is somebody supposed to make a decision about jail or probation or trial or jury trial or what they're supposed to do if they don't understand what the terms mean? They don't understand what charge they're facing. And so one thing that I do is I translate. The second thing I do is I negotiate. So yes, unfortunately, you're not going to win every case if you take it to trial. So a lot of times clients who are looking at a minimum of 30 years or 40 years, I have to go back and forth to the state's attorney, say, hey, this person is great, present character evidence in their favor, give them documents, give them diplomas, give them certificates, and convince the state's attorney into reducing that 30 years into a 6-year or 7-year sentence. So one thing I do is negotiate. And a third thing I do, although I have 1,000 different duties, but the third thing I do is I litigate. So what litigate means is that I actually fight the good fight in court. So that means doing hearings on motions, and I might be trying to keep out a statement that you blurted out at the police station, or I might be trying to keep out whatever evidence the cops found when they searched you, your house, your book bag, your car. Or I actually go to trial, and that trial could be in front of a jury of 12 people, or it could be in front of a judge. Either way, I'm arguing the facts of the case. I'm poking holes in the state's attorney's case. I'm tearing apart the police officer's investigation and showing all the things that they should have done that they didn't do. And so the third thing I do is I litigate. And as a bonus, I'm going to throw in a few things that I don't do, which is I'm not going to lie, cheat, bribe, steal, commit a fraud on the court, submit false documents, or put you on the stand to lie, because these are all against my personal code of ethics, first of all, but secondly, the code of ethics that attorneys must follow. So I hope these helped. Peace.